Hi everyone, welcome to my channel for yarn. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a mini heart. First we're making a magic ring like this. Then we start making 2 chains. Chain 1, chain 2. Then we're making 3 treble crochet. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, 4 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. This is our first treble crochet, and we need to make 2 more. We're making 3 double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. After making 3 double crochet, we need to chain 1. Then we're making 1 treble crochet. And chain 1. Then we're making 3 double crochet. Don't forget to like this video. After 3 double crochet, we start making 3 treble crochet. After 3 treble crochet, we start making 2 chains. Chain 1 and chain 2. Then we're making a slip stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now you can cut your yarn. Then close your magic ring with this piece of yarn. Then pull this piece of yarn nice and tight. Then turn the heart over. Tie 2 threads twice. Now you can cut it with your scissors. You can shape your heart with your hand. And this is our little red heart. If you have any questions, ask me in comments. Don't forget to like this video, and for more tutorials, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks my friends for watching. See you next time.